Now this is trucking on another level. Moving a massive 50-meter long crane beam is no easy task, but this Scania heavy lift truck makes it look effortless. With every turn, every maneuver, precision is key. One wrong move and this giant could be in serious trouble, but thanks to expert driving and raw power, this beast is handling the challenge like a pro. Can you imagine being behind the wheel of this monster? Would you take on this insane challenge? Drop a fire in the comments if you respect the skill it takes to pull this off.